Greetings to all of you. I'm thrilled to present to you two workshops, very important workshops on the person responsible for regulatory compliancy. So the first workshop will be a beginner's workshop, and it will happen on the 25th and 26th of May. The second workshop will be an advanced workshop on person responsible for regulatory compliancy, and it will happen on the 15th and 16th of June. All you need to know about the PRRC will be tackled during this 4 days workshop. Please attend to it, click on the below link to register, and you will have the possibility to have a Q&A session with all the speakers, which are the greatest speakers in their field in the regulatory affairs for medical devices. So you're welcome to attend to the beginners or to the advanced or to both. And we're really looking forward to welcome you at these exceptional workshops.